Hey Bullfroggers, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to the shop. As you probably already guessed, today's video is going to be a little bit different. So let's get to it. A couple weeks back, I watched a YouTube video about why the US has not adopted the bidet at nearly the same rate as the rest of the civilized world. A couple days later, I was shopping on Amazon, and just for kicks, I typed in bidet. Near the top of the search results was this, the LUXE NEO 120 bidet. As you can see, it has 4.6 stars and over 80,000 reviews. So for only 35 bucks or so, I figured I had to try it. They also offer a model 185 for you ladies with front and rear cleaning capabilities. This is not a standalone unit. It bolts onto your toilet using your existing toilet seat bolts. It took about 10 minutes to install, and it requires no plumbing tools, special tools, or wrenches, as all the connections only need to be you tighten with your hands. This fitting right here has wings like a wing nut, and this little handy tool slides down and fits that nut and that nut, allowing you to tighten those with your hand. Disclaimer number one. I did have to get a new supply line because mine was very short, and with the addition of the T-fitting for the bidet, I was afraid this bend would put too much stress on the connections. So I got a longer supply line for $5 and coiled it up as you see here. Anyway, I got it installed and turned the water back on. Then I sat down for a dry run. I tried it out. I assumed the position, squeezed my legs together just in case of a wild pitch. Or would that be a pass ball? Where's my baseball people? Let me know down in the comment. I turned the knob and dang! I don't know how they did it, but they got this baby sighted in better than my deer rifle. This thing's shooting half-inch groups at 200 yards for crying out loud. Yes, the water is cold, but it is surprisingly refreshing. I did have to move around a little bit to ensure complete coverage, but I'm very impressed with this thing already. After use, you just pat dry with some TP, way less than you would normally use. And you can say goodbye to those flushable wipes that wreak havoc on your septic system or public sewer systems. So not only will you have a clean bottom, but you'll be saving the planet as well. The polar bears will love you before they eat you.
Somebody asked me, well, doesn't the nozzle get all dirty when you do your business?
No. This shield right here protects the nozzle from just about anything just about anything. The nozzle is behind there. Let me see if I can show it to you. You can kind of see it back in there. And when you turn the water on, it extends down below the shield and directs the spray up at you. Before and after use, you can rinse the nozzle with fresh, clean water by switching this knob to clean. Disclaimer number 2. I am not affiliated with this company in any way, and I bought this item with my own money. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, there's a link down in the description below. And if you decide to buy this particular product, I'd really appreciate if you do it through that link, as it will help me to grow my channel as an Amazon affiliate. Yes, you can go on Amazon and find it yourself, but you're already here, and the price is exactly the same. So why not help a brother out? I leave you with this very astute review from an Amazon reviewer named Jackie. We were uncultured swine before using a bidet. If you don't have one, get one. Don't just dry your pee, wash it away. Don't just wipe and smear your poo, wash it away. Clean yourself, you filthy animals. That's all for today, Bullfroggers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time at Bullfrog Pond Shop. Bullfrog Pond Shop. Happy pooping.